Hi, where are you going, Divyansh?
To the safari.
You're going to the wild animal safari?
Yeah.
You're going to see wild animals?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yay! See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. तो आज अभी हम लोग सुबह सुबह यहाँ पे बजे हैं, कितने बजे हैं? 10 बजे हैं। जैसे कि यहाँ पे अभी डे लाइट सेविंग्स शुरू हो गई हैं, डे लाइट टाइम तो हम लोग का 1 घंटा रिड्यूस हो गया है। मतलब 9 बजने वाले थे पर अभी बजे हैं एक्चुअली 10 बजे हैं। तो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं सुबह सुबह। हमने वाइल्ड एनिमल सफारी, यहाँ पे पाइन माउंटेन में वाइल्ड एनिमल सफारी है, वहाँ हम लोग जा रहे हैं सफारी जू एनिमल्स देखने के लिए। You wanna say hi?
Hi.
Divyansh, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm the troublemaker.
You are the troublemaker?
Yeah.
Yeah. तो चलिए हमारे साथ देखते हैं वाइल्ड एनिमल सफारी।
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you
Look at the snakes. Look at this. Look at the zebra, the panda, the deer.
Pandas, dear.
Yeah. Divyansh, see the lion. Look at Divyansh. Wow, Divyansh is riding a vehicle. What is this? The monster truck? Safari jeep. Wow, Divyansh.
Means this white one.
Yeah, these are llamas.
What are these birds?
What is this bird? Do you know what is this bird, Divyansh? No. See, these are llamas. They're looking like a sheep, right?
I need a mix.
See how
I'm gonna need that max off.
Look at Divyansh. You see the turtle? The tortoise. How big they are. Who's looking?
Lemur.
Look at the lemur, Divyansh.
Divyansh, your friend.
Baba.
Yes.
Did you see the lemur?
Yeah. I think.
See how is he climbing the tree?
Then I see one lemur is there.
Did you see how is he climbing there and walking through the tree?
Yeah.
Tiger.
Hey, tiger.
Look at the tiger.
Hey, tiger.
The big brown tiger. Divyansh, did you see him?
Divyansh, this.
Come. He's coming near.
Wow.
Divyansh, come here.
Oh
Look at the
my,
tiger.
see the tiger, baby. Oh
Wow.
my. Such a huge tiger, oh my god.
Where is the white big tiger?
Oh, here we don't have. Here it is like. Oh wow. It's a
Wow.
huge tiger,
The
man.
tiger is walking and the lion is sleeping there
Looking,
in the
he's
sun.
waiting for the lion. The lion
Yeah.
is sleeping. So,
Divyansh, you're so
okay.
excited and happy. See ya.
Bye-bye.
Look at the white-faced capuchin. See?
Hey, Divyansh here.
Say
Your
hi
friend.
to him. Hi.
Bye.
What are you doing?
Oh, he's hiding his food.
He's eating something.
Oh, let's not disturb.
Yeah, he's thinking Divyansh will eat his food. That's why he's not looking at you.
No, man, Divyansh is super slow.
Look at Divyansh and
Take
Papa.
Take it.
Papa, hand there. Good.
He
Good.
Good.
Look here.
Look here.
Here's your food.
Oh, see?
Khala? Yeah, she ate the goat. You wanna give one? Divyansh. Yeah, look at Divyansh. Good boy, Divyansh. See
Oh my gosh.
how the goat
Fell
is
down.
eating?
No, it fell down.
ଓ ଯୋଉଟା ପଡି ଯାଉଛି ସେଇଟା ଖାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ନା ହାତରୁ ହିଁ ଯୋଉଟା ଖାଉଛନ୍ତି
Yeah.
See such mannered goats.
Oh my god.
Look at the wolf, the grey wolf.
ଠିଆ କରି ଗୋଟେ ଫଟୋ
See?
ନିଅ।
Hi,
wolf.
Hi, wolf.
Divyansh likes you. Yes, Divyansh?
Yes.
Look at Yeah, look at Divyansh. Look at the grey wolf. And there's also white wolf over there. See how pretty she is looking? Divyansh, did you see the white wolf?
Yeah.
Look how pretty she's looking. How pretty.
Hey, grey wolf. What are they?
Just a spider
Look
monkey.
at how she doing the
See,
monkey.
this is spider monkey.
The spider monkey.
I'm trying the black spider monkey.
See how she's climbing that thing. Wow. She's also walking through the rope. Good.
He's not scared.
Look at the baboons.
এটা normal না यार कौन होगी?
Baboons.
See, now they will feed.
Oh, they're feeding the animals. See? They're feeding the baboons over there. Divyansh, this is the serval.
Serval.
Hey.
Yeah. It looks like little bit of leopard, but it's not leopard, it's serval.
Serval.
Yeah. Look at the monkey. Look at that cappuccino.
Give me that.
Holy crap, what is that?
See? There. The tufted cappuccino. It's a
Yeah,
kind
that's
of
a big monkey.
See how is he sleeping? The black bear. Did you see the alligator, Divyansh? How's he sleeping? The alligator? Yeah?
Hey alligator, the Divyansh is here to see you. Say hi. Poseidon, huh?
See
would
the
have been,
peacock? Divyansh, did you
so
see the Indian national bird? The peacock. How colorful she's looking. The blue color. Yeah, with so much colorful feathers. See that Bengal tiger over there? See, Divyansh?
This is the Bengal tiger.
The
Yeah,
white
it is
Bengal
coming.
tiger. See, it's coming.
Where is the Bengal tiger?
See there.
White Bengal tiger.
See, she's coming. See? They're coming to see Divyansh, the white Bengal tiger.
Yes, there.
Hey tiger, come here. Come to see Divyansh.
Yes,
Wow, see?
so kind.
See, she did came, see? Wow, look at her. ये देखिए guys, ये है हमारी rental car. Yes, Divyansh? You have to clean it little bit. Let's clean it. Wow, see, Papa is driving the car, the rental vehicle. Yeah?
No.
See, we are entering the Pine Mountain Wild Animal Park. Yes? Ah, look at the giraffe, Divyansh.
Oh, it's taking. Divyansh, come here, other eye.
Wow. Wow, look at the giraffe. How is he eating?
You see that?
Yeah, are you there? How Papa is giving food to giraffe. See? You see?
Divyansh, see.
Yeah, see the lion, Divyansh, the lioness. She's sleeping over there, yeah? It's written, do not feed these animals. They only eat meat.
Look at throw. Right to his face.
Divyansh, you want to give some yummylicious food to them? Zebra. Wow. Look at these deer. Let's give some food. Deer. Look here. Some food for you. You don't want to eat? Look at how they are feeding. Yeah, Divyansh gonna give this to this one. Give the food to this one. She eating? Wow, she's a good deer. She's eating his food. Papa is giving food to this one. Yeah? Look at his antlers. How is it like a leaf kind of? Yeah?
Oh man.
See? Look at his antlers.
Rhinoceros.
I don't know.
Come on, let's.
She's scared.
Wow. Look at her.
Sorry. Is this llama? So many
Look
deers
at here. So many deers.
See, Divyansh, see, right side.
So many deers are
Really small.
sitting and having a party. यहाँ उनकी पार्टी हो रही है.
What are these animals? These brown.
Look there. Wow, look at those. Those are some kind of goats, I think, right?
They are real
Look at the small calf. I think it's a goat calf. Look at here. She's. Yeah, good girl. Khaila, mujhe Delhi. Wow, good girl. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Wow. Look at that big ostrich over there.
Give food.
ये भैया आसिलानी.
Yes, give him food.
दियो. ये बोधे हाफ्तुरु खाइबो. Oh my god. Yeah. Look, so many rental cars and a big zebra bus. Yeah, so if you want to come, the zebra bus is free with the admission tickets. Yeah, Divyansh? And this rental cars, for that you have to pay $30 extra apart from the admission fees. Or you can take your own vehicle also and drive through this safari. Yeah?
Very few.
See how they are running.
Oh, there are pigs.
Dabadige food.
Oh, this is coming, man.
Look at how Papa is giving food. Hachi? What is that? Look at the zebras. Three zebras are there. Look, Mama, Papa and Divyansh zebra. Yeah? Oh, no, 4 zebras are there. See? 4. I thought it's 3. It's 4. Yeah?
Very
So pretty.
Zebra.
Zebra. You wanna eat some food? Yeah? You wanna eat some food? Look here. Look here. Look at the zebra. Right there. See the camel, Divyansh. You see the camel? Look at how that camel is eating, opening his mouth. And the kids from the bus are throwing food to his mouth. He's catching from his mouth. See? How is he opening?
यार के मिलला देखु जी आको ये कौन हो जी टे कर है जी तू कौन है क्या खाओ जी
मजा आओ यहाँ पे कैमल की पार्टी हो रही है. Yeah. See there? Oh, look at the camel. How's he eating? Hi.
Nala.
Hi.
Thank you.
Look at so many deers.
Thanks for visiting animal safari. Please exit right. And right and
Wow, look at the spring blossoms on that tree, Divyansh. Yeah? You wanna go and take a pic there? Hey guys, तो जैसा कि आपने देखा अभी हम लोग की वाइल्ड एनिमल सफारी हमने सारा सब कुछ कंप्लीट कर लिया है, देख लिया है और अभी हम लोग चलेंगे घर की तरफ। तो गाइज ये था आज का हमारा छोटा सा ब्लॉग। अगर आपको पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, इस चैनल को खूब सारा लाइक कीजिए, से लाइक
and subscribe guys.
गाइस खूब सारा सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए। मिलती हूँ आपको एक और अच्छे से ब्लॉग में। सी यू अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, बाय बाय, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, बाय गाइस, से बाय।
Say what you wanna say to me now.